Hi, my name is Dari France, and I'm going to show you today how to edit your audio of your video with Filmora. Okay, this is our video. By clicking here, you will put it into timeline. Now, let's slide the slider to the very beginning and let's see what we have. Okay, sounds good. Now, what we can do? With right click on this video, you will get a menu and you have to choose adjust audio. And here you can change the volume. I'm doing left click of my mouse and holding it and sliding up down. You can change the decibels of your audio. Okay, let it be 0 like it was at the very beginning. You can remove the background noise if you have it by clicking here. Okay, and what I like to do is to add fade in and fade out. For example, for that you have to do left click on your mouse and to slide slider. You can see here the time in seconds, and you are changing it by sliding and choosing the time when you want the loud music to start. Let it be 3 seconds, for example. Okay, and the same with fade out. Let it be 3 seconds too. And now you have to press OK and let's listen. Louder, louder, louder. Now loud enough. And fade out. Okay. Now the next very useful thing is if you want to make your audio and video separate. Okay, right click and find detach audio in the list and click on it. Now they're detached. And you can, for example, you have to click on audio and right click to delete it. If no, for example, you can trim it or you can add some new audio. Let's choose it. And drag and drop it here on the second audio line and trim it. You have to go to the end of the clip, do left click of your mouse and by holding drag the slider to the end of your video. Now what do we have? Let's listen. Oh, too much sound. Okay, so let's change the volume of the new one. You see the line here, you have to do left mouse click and do it a little bit like less loud. Now let's see. And there are much more stuff you can do in Filmora Wondershare, but those are very easy and useful. Okay, thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!